Alright, so this is how you can get game saves on your Dying Light 1 game. So all you gotta do is just go to this website, Nexus Mods, and then go and find a game save. So let's go find a game save. Just put save if you want to just go there already. And so we just put save. Let's go view all so we can look at all of them that's available. So let's go see all. Alright, so now that we're inside all, this is somehow adult content, even though it's just a game save. So we're gonna do this adult one, because we all adults, getting a game save somehow. So we're gonna be getting a game save right here. So once we get a game save that we like, because this looks cool, right? Modded, alright, modded, downloaded. So we just downloaded this mod uh somehow, if it lets me. Alright, so save. Save. I don't have to do that because I already have a game save, but I'll do it just for y'all. So let's put save. Now we're just gonna open it. And that's pretty much all we need. So we just open this game save because that's what we need. We're trying to get it. So we're trying to get this game save. So once we get this game save, you see, then we're just gonna go to our folder of our Dying Light. So how we do that is we just go to our Dying Light game, see right there, and then we right click it, okay, right click, and then we just go to manage because we're gonna manage this game, and then we're gonna go to browse all local files. You see, so browse over local, and then once we go to browse, we're gonna go down on the top. Let's see, we'll go down and then we top, and we go right here where it says Steam, because we're steaming all buttons, and then we're gonna go to user data because that's where all information is. So I want to go to user data, and we're gonna go to our number because that's what we call our all cell phone. Okay, and then we're gonna go to our number, and then now we're gonna just go right here where it says 140 at the end of it. Always remember the last 4 digits of one of these random generated numbers are normally always different, so you can always make sure it's different. And then we're gonna see 140, and then remote out save original whatever, no, whatever, it's just mine. And then we're just gonna delete this save because we don't need it. I don't want it, so we delete it, and then we just paste our game save in there now. All right, there it is. It's over. It's done. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Love ya. Have a good time. Subscribe, like, comment. I don't mind. Whatever you want to do. See ya.